Hey guys, welcome to my channel Joe's Diet Talk. Today's topic is all about your kidneys. You will be knowing top 10 common habits that damage your kidney. Kidneys are the most important organ of the body which works continuously to purify and filter the waste products. These waste products are flushed out of the body in the form of urine. Kidneys are not only allowed to filter the waste products but also helps in regulating the blood pressure, balances electrolyte and produces red blood cells. By knowingly or unknowingly, we damage our kidneys a lot. So avoid these simple things and make your kidney smile. Here are the 10 habits to avoid for healthy kidneys. Kidney diseases are called as silent killers because it shows fewer symptoms in the early stage and it takes you to the critical stage when the condition becomes advanced. Here are the common habits by which we harm our kidneys. Not emptying your bladder early. Many of us have a habit of not emptying the bladder when needed and we delay the nature call because of many reasons. This makes our urinary bladder full with urine. As we extend the time to pass urine, many urinary tract infections may arise. Hence, make sure that you are urinating before your bladder becomes full. Not drinking enough water. Drinking inadequate water is the main culprit to damage our kidneys. Excessive sweating and thirst make you dehydrated. Because of this dehydration, our kidneys will not get sufficient amount of fluid to carry the further necessary functions properly. So drink enough water not only when you are feeling thirst but also at regular intervals in your daily activities. Taking too much salt. Eating excess amount of salt may damage your kidneys. Sodium is the one which we consume in the form of salt, which should be metabolized, which will be the extra work to our kidneys. The majority of the sodium needs to be excreted. When we consume more salt, kidneys will work continuously to excrete it. Because of this long-term stress on your kidneys, it may damage. Remember, do not eat more than 5 grams of salt per day. Overconsumption of protein. High protein intake by meat or other protein-rich foods can damage your kidneys. Overeating of protein may increase the burden on kidneys to eliminate more blood urea nitrogen. Drinking too much alcohol. Consuming too much alcohol is dangerous. It contains toxins which put stress on your kidneys and it damages your kidneys very quickly. By drinking too much alcohol can lead to uric acid deposition in the kidney tubules, which causes obstruction of tubules and increases the risk of kidney failure. Painkiller abuse. Taking painkillers for small reasons is very bad for the body. Most of the painkillers have several side effects and sometimes it can harm your body organs including kidney tissue and structures. Long-term usage of painkillers can reduce your blood flow and block the kidney function. Not treating common infections quickly and properly. Some people have a habit of ignoring the common infections such as common cold and flu. Because of not reacting quickly to the infections, it may cause damage to your kidney. Eating and drinking lots of sugar. Sugar is the sweetest thing, but when taken excess can lead to many health issues like diabetes, obesity and many more, which is the main risk factor of many kidney diseases. Consuming too much caffeine. Caffeine when taken in excess can elevate the blood pressure and which puts strain on your kidney and damages them. So decrease the beverage intake and start increasing the water intake, which will make you hydrated and healthy. Smoking cigarettes. Cigarettes are the weapon of mass destruction. Recent studies shows that cigarette will not only damage your lungs but it will also damage your kidneys. Start a healthy lifestyle. Eat healthy and drink healthier. Avoid salt and stay away from pre-packed foods and avoid alcohol, smoking and drink enough amount of water. By doing this, you can make your kidney healthy and happy. Thank you for watching my channel.